Bowl's gotta be empty.
Ooh, he is motoring.
Good or bad?
Good.
Go. You got more room to put it away.
Where you had 5 months ago for sure.
Oh, look at me.
I can't believe they haven't taken anything to drink yet.
John has.
John is.
John. I'm steady.
I know. Fucking idiot over here is going crazy.
Doesn't matter. The water's gonna hurt.
Blueberry.
I think John might win.
I thought John would win. Well, no, I thought Anthony would win.
So did I.
Jesus, I couldn't even eat one of those things without having like a back.
They have no idea.
They haven't stopped yet, eh? I think that's.
Oh, John might win it.
What the fuck?
Pick it up. You know what? At the end of the day, we win.
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
And so does all of Facebook. This is going to be the next blueberry video.
John's almost done.
Oh, John, you are my hero.
Come on, you can
Toss
still
him, though.
What the fuck?
He owns 3 wins.
Oh.
Oh.
Come on, Ant.
Oh, John.
Oh, number 1.
How much does he have left?
John wins.
Jesus, Anthony, we thought that Patrick would be sick by now and that you would kick both of their asses. Who are you? What have you done with Anthony?
Fuck this. What do you guys have left? You guys got owned.
And
We have a winner.
You can still do it. You can still do it. You're gonna vomit after you're done.
None of my flowers, asshole.
Wow, those are fucking spicy.
Come on, Ed.
Come on, Ed. You can still do it.
Holy fuck.
You just crushed
I'm
up.
starting to sweat. Me too. Oh, this is video. That's what we were waiting for.
None of the flowers.
Give our hard time
A taste of success. Someone said he wins the race.
I'm coming home. I'm kicking your ass.
I didn't chew mine. I just put milk in my glass, in my mouth, and just swallowed them. That's why I destroyed you guys.
Licking it up. Well, I guess you lost.
I have one fucking chip. Look at how much stuff is on this one. I'm gonna finish it again. I don't want to eat it.
I can't wait for you guys to have a craft tomorrow.
It's gonna burn so bad.
Oh, I'm not drinking tonight. I don't want to be a
You're obviously last because nobody's cleaning the swish out of that.
You were so close. What happened? Oh.
Burn set in.
Somebody mentioned hot.
Me.
Mother's on fire.
It'll be gone in an hour, I promise.
Never eat again.
right.
Ice cream
The
food
water
is
made so
milk.
much worse.
That's why I'm drinking milk.
And it's almost there. Fucking Pat again loses.
Okay.
He's got all
Whoever
the
eats
jobs
what's left
again.
in Pat's bowl.
Fuck that. You're a fucking person if you want to see that.
Patty, drink milk. The water actually makes it worse.
You get two. Take a poop. There's still a video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are you spit in the bowl? Water.
It came out.
Drink milk.
Okay, now would that be a great trick to play on everybody at camping this year?
All the kids that come over and start munging down on all of our food.
We came here. We came here for scores. Oh, really? Have some chips.
You want to do that soon?
That's two bags.
Did you get all that on video?
Oh yeah, I got it all.
It's going on Facebook.
I thought it was pictures.
No.
You're gonna reel in all the ladies with
John
this
Wayne,
blood.
good job, John.
I don't even know why you guys ever doubted me.
Good job, John.
I'm not the skinniest one out of the group.
Sure, I'm the skinniest one.
Shut the fuck up. What'd you say?
Wow, you're skinny. Good for you, fuck.